Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on the pattern which is really easy and suitable for a baby blanket or any other kind of project you want to use. For the pattern we need to start by make some chain, and the chain should be a multiple of 3 plus 2. The 2 is considered as the edge, and each pattern needs to have 3 stitches. What we have to do, I'm going to, after you have uh, the, the sizes you need, you have to start by make 1 double crochet in each chain. I'm going to insert my hook in the first one. I usually use the back loops like that, but it's optional. You can insert directly your hook in the chain and start by make 1 double crochet in each chain like that. You have to keep continue until the end of the row by make a double crochet. I'm going to finish this row and I'll be back. I already finished the row. As I told you, the stitches should be multiple of 3 plus 2 for each. For next row we are going to start by chain 3, return the work. When it comes to that part, for the first 3 we are going to make front post double crochet by grab the yarn once, insert your hook here between these two, and then make front post double crochet. I keep continue by make 1 more and the third one. So the pattern should look like that: 1 for edge and 3 front post. Now it's time to make for the next 3. We are going to make back post double crochet. It means that grab the yarn 1, insert the hook from the back side and grab the yarn like that, make double crochet again, we make it at the back side, and one more time, like this. Then repeat by make 3 front post double crochet, and then 3 back post double crochet. Let me finish the row by make this pattern is really easy. Only 1 row repeat, because next row you are going to repeat exactly the same, but only what you have to do, you have to change the position. So when it comes to the last one, always make 1 double crochet on the top of the chain to make the nice edge. Like that. For next row we are going to chain 3, return the work. When it comes to that part, as I told you, we are going to change the position. It means the one is like this in front, we are going to make it at back side. Like that. If you can see, the next three is already in back side, we are going to make it in front. And then you keep continue again by change the pattern. The one in front, we are going to make it at back side. Like that. Now you can see here, it's already on the back. I'm going to make it in front. If you repeat that pattern in each row, just change the pattern like that. If you keep continue to knit like the pattern, you are going to have the pattern like this. As you can see, almost front side and back side are the same. This is really suitable for a scarf, baby blanket, or whatever you like. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a great day.